Welcome to another video. Hope you're doing well. Don't get too hungry in this one. Question is all about cakes. So the question is, each cake is made with 25 grams of cornflakes and 20 grams of chocolate. What is the total mass of 60 cornflake cakes in grams and kilograms? This is just for practice. In the exam, you'll normally have to give your answer only in grams or kilograms, the question will say, and you should always check that carefully. Remember to convert between them. There's 1,000 grams in a kilogram. So if you've got a kilogram number and you need grams, multiply it by 1,000. If you've got a figure in grams but you need kilograms, divide it by 1,000. So you might want to stop the video there and have a go at the question, and then we'll carefully go through how to do it. So step 1, let's look at the mass just for one cake. Mass per cake, 25 grams plus 20, so 45 grams. That was 25 grams of cornflakes, 20 of chocolate, so one cake has to be 45 grams in total. Step 2, number of cakes. Check the question wording, we were given that it was 60. So step 3, we need to find a total mass by multiplying the figures we've got together, 45 by 60. So one way to do that, make it a bit easier, 45 by 6, and then we'll add a 0 on at the end. If we've got 45 times 6, we can split that into 40 times 6, which is 240. Think about 4 times 6 is 24, but we've got 40 times 6. So we add a 0, so we've got 240. Then we need to do the 5 times 6 separately, which is 30. Add it on, 240 plus 30, 270. And then we add a 0, because remember it's 45 times 6 is what we've done for 270, but we need 45 times the 60 cakes. When you're taking these zeros off, adding them back on, it's very easy to get it wrong. So yeah, please be careful. You have to do it to make the multiplication easier. But yeah, just note down somewhere what you're doing so you don't forget to add the zeros back. So after we've done all of that, we end up with 2,700 grams. So we had 45 was one cake, 60 cakes, the total is 2,700 grams. And there's a calculation again, 45 times 60, you could do 45 times 6 times 10. Another way of doing it, 270 times 10, 2,700 grams. So quick check now, so 2,700 grams is 2.7 kilograms, dividing by 1,000, which has 3 zeros in. So we move the decimal place from the end of 2,700, move it across 3 places to the left, gives us 2.7. So the cakes weigh 2.7 kilograms in total. So process again, converting to kilograms, make it 1,000 times smaller. 2,700 is then the same as 2.7. So this conversion helps to verify our answer makes sense for the total weight of 60 cakes. 60 cakes are not going to weigh 2,700 kilograms. Those would be very heavy cakes.